Hello guys, I can't really remember where we left off here, but I was playing Kingdom Rush, and yeah, let's turn that volume on. Okay, so I was playing Kingdom Rush, and yeah, we just started up here, and we got 2 modes done, and I figured out there were difficulties while you were gone. And yeah, so we're starting now. Okay, so we're gonna build 2 wizard towers, a barracks, and save our last $50 for an archer tower. Oh. I'm sorry there, but yeah, okay. I'm sorry about that, but I had to make sure you guys were getting the right view. So, yeah. I'm gonna call reinforcements in, just because I feel like it. And that only takes 10 seconds, so why not? Why not? Might as well. Reinforce, that's what it is. That's what we do. Okay. So, I think I'll upgrade this. Yes, for the king. Ah, you will die. Okay. So, guys, I haven't posted a video on the last day because I was kind of busy with a bunch of stuff, so sorry about that, but I'll be doing daily videos from now on, and yeah, I just took those guys out with my rain of fire, boy. Uh-oh, looks like, you know, I'm gonna build an archer tower right there, and then, oh, they come at the same time. It's just messed up. Okay, stop you right there. Reinforce. That's why you're called reinforcements. Okay, so those guys fend him off. I'll put these guys here. Oh no, why'd they disappear? No! No! Oh, I have lives? I thought if one person got in, then that was a bad thing. But, apparently not. Apparently it doesn't matter. Okay. More reinforcements. We're gonna need some help over here? Why aren't they working? Go over there. Go over there, Silas of Rivendell. There we go. Ooh, I'll upgrade this. I will put a smell on you. A spell or a smell? I don't remember. Whatever. Okay, this seems like an easy and a bit daring, apparently. Not really. Not really. He'll die. Trust me. He will. He will. He's dead. Haha. I'm gonna put a dwarven bomber right there. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna place some reinforcements here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm guessing that's like a shaman. I was trying to figure out what he does, but he like heals stuff. Is he gonna make it? No, he's not gonna make it. Bet you $50 he won't make it. It's like you're a troll doll. I don't know why. Okay. No, no, not getting in, boy. Okay, there we go. No, don't die. Don't die. No, no. Reinforce, yes. That'd be a good thing to do. How about now, please? Reinforce? Hold them back. Hold them back. No, no, hold them back. No. No. Oh, great. I'm dead. New enemy. Ogres. Big, ugly. Yeah. Let's see. He's not that hard. I'm gonna get him. No biggie. But yeah, he's dead. I'm gonna take out those shamans. I don't like shaman people. Shaman people scare me. Them shaman peeps. Oh yeah. Dead. Come on. Oh yeah. What could I do? Would increase my effectiveness. I know. I will. We'll stop this ogre. We're upgrading him. We're upgrading somebody else. He's dead. So, stop these guys. The tracks. These guys are coming through. Not so worried. This guy looks like a troll doll. Not worried about troll dolls. Bloodlust. Okay, so they're dead. Oh, I won. Ah, yay. 2 stars. Not the best. Still good. Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna see if there are any, like, cheap ways to get... Okay, let's get it now. Oh no, no way. I'm not paying you money. Yeah, no way. No way, Joseph. Sorry. Sorry. I'm not paying money. No. No, I don't need your help. It's battle. Oh, tower level 3? Tower level 3? Oh yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna see how that works. I'm just stop him right there. Okay. I think it's time to stop the video, but I'll make another one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.